I like how low to the ground that is. Yeah. I like how low to the ground that is. Those two are together. Yeah. Oh, let me get up out of this car. Yeah. Oh, I love that. Look at how low it is. Look at how low to the ground it is. This reminds me of something from my way back. Team. I can't read it. We like spiders. I like it. I like it. I'm not remembering the make. And it's convertible. Mazda. Okay, Mazda. Mazda. That explains all of the kanji writing. I think this is a part of the same team. Boy, it reminds me when I worked for my brother in his foreign car repair shop. Oh, do you like where the steering wheel is? Do you see where the steering wheel is? You see the arrangement? So this one is for delivering mail. You take the steering wheel off of there and you put it on a robot arm so you can sit on the right side to deliver mail. What do you think? Betcha. Either that or they just brought the car in from somewhere in the Commonwealth of Nations. See, they're together. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's right on the ground. I'm not making fun of it. I'm enjoying it. Well, I'm gonna go climb Faith Rock Trail. Steve A. before y'all. Just smiling. I love it. It takes me all the way back to the 1970s. Saying, see you. And if you know the model year, tell me. It's a Mazda. Steve A. before you, just smiling, saying, see you in 73. I talked with him. No, he doesn't deliver mail. In order to get in the car, he has to be able to detach the steering wheel. So the steering, and as I think about it, I've seen that before. That's nothing new. I think the car may have come with that, just so they could be sure they could get all of their potential driver customers willing to buy the car because they can actually get in. I love it. My brother used to race autocross in parking lots with a Sprigget, a cross between a Sprite and a midget, English midget. Steve A. before you, just reminiscing a little bit. Big smile on my heart seeing that car. It's beautiful. Saying see you at 73.